They said they're not coming.
So then,
Yeah. I didn't really think.
so
Definitely, yeah.
so let me ask you, is it because of the area or because of the house?
They must say the house, all right, the house by far as then look on the house, then say a back way may I go. And next they must say a country area where things not popular. So me feel like a them something them a look on. So me showed everything when me I do and me think everybody would have happy and come together with me. You get me? And me want go back up there in about one. Me not tell nobody that pan life, but me want go back up and go start putting some work on. Them say they not come up there, them not come with me. You understand me? So
Me not like that. Cause that gonna make you feel one way. Cause you try, you know. Me not.
me not like to you. Me feel away from yesterday, but me not too say nothing at all because me can't force them. You understand?
Somebody say if you pull it down and rebuild.
Me didn't think about pull it down and rebuild. But step on the other hand, I could have still use the shelter and still go there and fix the house. Because I can use sheetrock if I get some good contractor. We can use sheetrock and sheetrock the house. You understand me? I say set up two rooms there and go and invest on the little land. You understand me? Because nothing
Let me ask you one question. Sorry, Koto. So you have any neighbors nearby? You have neighbors nearby there, sir?
No.
Oh, I can see why too.
But I don't like people far off. It's good when you're on a look a private part of property. It's good when you're on a nice look a private property. So my time.
No, me understand that. No, true. But me I say true. Them are young people. Them are looking to them thing there.
I must say a country area. I last part of the world me come by. Why me come here so? Me just think everybody's supposed to come together as a team, as a youth.
Of course.
Push together. Who want to raise some foal, can raise some, who want to buy 1-2 goat over there. So, you understand me? I say, think future. Me think say, me want them think future, like future wise. Don't think for just tomorrow. Don't think for just today. Think about the future because remember say them give me grandbaby. You understand me?
Yeah.
Marnie?
So what you have to do, just sit down and talk to them. Tell them say when they come together, it go look good.
Check for the pool, me a come. Check the pool, me a come. Yeah, check the pool, me a come. I see thing is this. You see thing is this, auntie?
Yeah.
When nobody no know, me not have to tell nobody. Alright, me not go say. Some I think that my people they must say me for hold back on some things. Cause me talk freely, you know.
Yeah.
Freely.
That's why I love you, man. You're real, man. I love you. Me not tell you no lie.
I realize I freely when me talk and me just be myself. I mash me up and yeah, so you understand. But me I go tell you this. The land when me have up so where man them come in with 2 times, a capture land.
Okay.
The land up so is a capture land, a stone. Me can't plant not even one gungo line. Me can't plant not even one pepper tree, a stone.
Yeah.
You understand? So this way they have no fit them. A capture land, you can come off a capture land anytime.
Sure.
All I invest when me invest up there, in any part of the future, you can hear say then come feed. This hours then can't come for this.
Yeah, can you have your thing feed. True.
I me get grandbaby, a 3 grandbaby, then give me, you know. Yes, so you say 2 more. Yes, so you say in the future, me go get 2 more grandbaby, you know. Eh? So me never think about them, me I think about the grandkids. You understand what me I say?
Yeah.
Right? But them not think.
No, me not like you all down for the one place. Me not like a division, right? You understand?
Well, I guess we are going to separate now. I guess separate, I go and everybody are going to separate up, so.
No, I not like that. As me say, you have to just sit down and have a meeting, a serious meeting, and show them. Because as me say, then young, you know. You have to just sit down and show them, say, listen, me I do this for owner and it's a good investment. And as I say, some can do planting, and you have a look of chicken cuba run, and you know, things can go on.
Of course.
Enough things can go on there, so.
Right, but as I say, you have to just continue to pray to the Almighty God, and maybe when time them see say certain things that you know put together, they will come out
True. You remember the other day? Me tell us I want to play one song for you. Me have a gospel song and me gonna leave that with you, right? It's a gospel song where me want you just listen to the words of the song. Not listen to the beat of the song, you know. It's a reggae beat to but listen to the words, right? All right?
Yes.
Me gonna play and make you hear it.